In this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to run Python program in VSCodium. So first here, in Google search box, write there VSCodium, then go on this vscodium.com site. Now, if I scroll down, here you can see. So let's click this. This is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Now, if I scroll down, here you can see. This is for Windows. You can use exe file, zip file, MSI file. So let's use their MSI file. So the file is now downloading, and if I go on this here, if I go command prompt, then if I write there Python, so Python 3.13.2 already installed. So first you need to download and install the Python. Now thereafter double click on this MSI file. Okay, then there select I accept, then click on this install button, and now this is installing VSCodium or this version 64-bit operating system on this Windows machine. If you want, then you can click on this launch VSCodium, and this is the console of this VSCodium. So you can choose the themes. This is dark, light. This is light option, and now here going to create one new directory first. So writing there VSCodium project, this directory. So first here file, open folder that is just created on this desktop VSCodium project. Select this one. Yes, I trust. Then on this extension there you need to search Python. So here you can see this Python that's come there. You need to install MS Python, and click on this install. So here this is now installing. Now if I go into this here, let's create this. Creating the file. Now if I write print, then hello world. So file that created with the extension. Now if I right click there, so here there is no any run option that's enabled. So that here this is still installing. After the installing, you can get the run option. Let's get started with the Python development. And if I go on this extension, this Python, here you can see this extension that's installed successfully. After that, simply you need to right click, then you can get here run Python. You can get this option. So let's click on this run Python. Hello world that's displaying, and there is another option run Python selected in terminal. So this display into the selected in terminal. So this is how we can run Python program in VSCodium.